today let's start with chapter number first, computer or smart machine. Our computer, it is a smart machine. It helps us in many ways. You can play games, watch movies, you can also listen to songs, you can calculate sums and do painting on the computer. That is why it is known as smart machine. In this chapter, I will tell you about what are natural and man-made things, what is a machine, and the computer, the smart machine, and computer is everywhere. Your computer, they are present everywhere in the shops. You may see in the banks, in the post office, at the railway station, at the airports. Now, let's start with the chapter natural and man-made things. There are two types of things that we found, that is natural and man-made things. Natural things are the things that are found in nature, and man-made things are the things that are made by men. These are the two types of things that we find everywhere. Natural things, you have sun, moon, like this, and man-made things, these are the things that are made by men, like your furniture, your computer, your mobile phone. These all are the things that are made by men. Now, things are of two types. What are these? Natural and man-made. Things that are given to us by nature, they are called natural things. For example, your birds, trees, fruits, and plants. And what are man-made things? Things that are made by men. These are known as man-made things like chair, book, table, cycle. These are the two types of things that I have told you. Next, our topic is what is a machine? What is a machine? A machine, it is a man-made thing. What it's do, it makes our work easy. We can easily do our work and fastly with the help of machine. It helps us to do our work fast and it saves our time. Let us see some other machine. There are some machine that works on electricity. Some are worked with the help of human being, which needs manpower. Now there are some machines that work on electricity. At your home, you have refrigerator, mixer, and fan. These all things work on electricity. Some machines run on fuel. There are some machines that run on fuel, like your car, aeroplane, and bike. These are the machines that run on fuel. Some machines run on human power. It's need human power, like bicycle. If you will ride the bicycle, then only it will ride in the bed. As it will be standing like that, like here it is standing. Next, we have swing machine. हम सिलाई करते हैं, टेलर सिलाई करते हैं. What they use swing machine. तो वो मैन पावर का यूज करते उसको यूज करते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज स्टेपलर. फॉर प्रेसिंग यू नीड मैन पावर. Next is some machines run on battery or cells. We have different machines and there are some batteries that run on battery or cells, like your calculator, your clock, and your torch. These are the machines that runs on battery or cells. Our next topic is the computer, a smart machine. A computer, it is a smart machine. A computer is a smart machine. It runs on electricity. How it runs? It runs on electricity. This is how a computer looks like. ऐसा आपका computer दिखता है. ये आपका monitor हो गया. It's a CPU, keyboard and mouse. These are the different parts of computer. It never gets tired. वो कभी थकता नहीं है. A computer work very fast. वो बहुत fastly work करता है. It can store and remember lot of information. आप कितने भी information इसके अंदर store कर लो, ये सबको remember रखता है. It can do many things. It never gets bored. If it is doing same work again and again, humans gets bored by doing the same work, but computer, they do not get bored. They do the same work at all the time. It never make mistakes. It makes our work easy. Computer, they do not make mistakes, and what they do, they make our work easy. Next is Charles Babbage, who is the father of computer. You must know that he is a Charles Babbage. Next topic is computer is everywhere. You will find computer everywhere, whether you are in home, school, offices, bank, hospital. Now, let us see the various places where the computer is used, like at homes, offices, school, airports, hospitals, railway station, banks, and shopping malls. In homes, we use computer to do our work or to play games. And offices, we use computer for sending mails and receiving emails. In school, we use computer For what? For making report cards or keeping students' record. At airports, we use computer for this for booking tickets. Hospital for keeping the records of patients. At railway stations, we book ticket of our train and we see the departure and arrival of the train. And banks, we have where the records of the customers' deposits and withdrawals are kept. And at shopping malls, we use computer for making bills. Now let us do it saying the following. You have to do yourself. You have to tell two machines that run on electricity and two machines that run on human power. In this chapter, I have told you about two types of things, that is man-made and natural things. Natural things that are given by nature and man-made things that are made by men. And then I have told you about a computer. It's a smart machine. And we have also studied about the different places where computer are used. Hope you understood the chapter. That's all for today.